should take it as a compliment that I'm talking to everyone here but you. You should think about the consequence of you touching my hand in a darkened room. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to play Gorgeous by Taylor Swift on ukulele. This song sounds amazing on ukulele, so I'm really excited to go through it with y'all today. I'm gonna be playing my Ohana tenor ukulele today. It's a TKS 22E. The tone of it is beautiful, but one thing that I really love about it is how thin it is. It looks like a cute little pancake and I can't get over it. It's just so cute. Also, in case you're wondering, I am playing a tenor ukulele, but if you're playing a concert or soprano, it doesn't make a difference with how you play the chords and the strumming patterns. So don't freak out just because my ukulele is a little bit bigger than yours. It's all gonna end up the same. There's no capo for this song, so we can go ahead and get right into the chords that we need. The first chord that you need is a C major, A minor, F, E minor, and last we have a G chord. Those are the only 5 chords that you need, so now we can move right into progressions and strumming patterns. First of all, the progression for the verses is so easy because it's just C, A minor, and F. The trick here is that you're gonna be on the C chord for a little bit longer. If you're using single down strums, which is always the first strumming pattern that I recommend, especially if you're a beginner, you're gonna do 2 single down strums on the C chord, 1 on the A minor and 1 on the F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you notice a total count of 8 on the C chord, 4 on the A minor, and 4 on the F. Then you would just repeat that for the entire first verse. You should take it as a compliment that I got drunk and made fun of the way you talk. Think about the consequence of your magnetic field being a little too strong. 'Cause I got a boyfriend, he's older than nice. He's in the club doing I don't know what. And you're so cool, it makes me hate you so much. I hate you so much. Definitely an acceptable strumming pattern to use, and as you can see, it's not that hard if you just take it slow. If you do happen to want to get past the single down strums, here's the next strumming pattern that I recommend. It's gonna be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. You're gonna go through that pattern twice on the C chord, once on the A minor, and once on the F. So putting that all together, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now with the lyrics. You should take it as a compliment that I got drunk and made fun of the way you talk. The consequence of your magnetic field being a little too strong. 'Cause I got a boyfriend, he's older than nice. He's in the club doing I don't know what. And you're so cool, it makes me hate you so much. I hate you so much. Then we go into the pre-chorus, which the progression is F, E minor, F, E minor, G. You could also use single down strums here, so I'm gonna go through that real quick. Whiskey on ice, sunset in vine, you've ruined my life by not being mine. You'll notice on those last 2 chords, the E minor and the G, it's more of a quick change than the ones before. The other strumming pattern that I have for the pre-chorus is down, 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 up. So that's 8 down strums with an up on the end, and I only do that for the first 3 chords. For the very last E minor and G, I have to do a little bit different of a strumming pattern because it's not as much time that you're on those chords for. So for the E minor, I'm actually just gonna split that first strumming pattern in half and do 4 down strums with an up on the end. So down, 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 up. And then on the G, I'm just gonna do 1 single down strum. Then before I go into the chorus, I'm just gonna do a mute, which is where you rest the side of your palm on the strings as you strum down. I'll go ahead and go through that starting on the F. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, mute. Whiskey on ice, sunset in vine. You've ruined my life by not being mine. Then you go into the chorus with a bang. This is the part where it gets jammin'. The fun thing about the chorus that y'all are going to love is that it's the same progression and strumming pattern that we did for the verses. So it's C, A minor, F, and it's gonna be the down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Pretty much you just play the chorus like you played the verse, but you're obviously singing different lyrics and a different melody. Going from the pre-chorus into the chorus, here's how it's gonna sound. By not being mine, you're so gorgeous, I can't say anything to your face, 'cause look at your face, and I'm so furious at you for making me feel this way. What can I say? You're gorgeous. Then you go into verse 2, which is the same thing as verse 1, so I'm gonna go ahead and play through that. You should take it as a compliment that I'm talking to everyone here but you, but you. You should think about the consequence of you touching my hand in a darkened room, dark room. If you got a girlfriend, I'm jealous of her, but if you're single, it's honestly worse, 'cause you're so gorgeous, it actually hurts, honey, it hurts. And then the pre-chorus is gonna be the same thing that you did before, but don't get confused because it is different lyrics. You're still doing the same strumming pattern and progression as before. Ocean blue eyes, looking in mine, I feel like I might sink and drown and die. You're so gorgeous, I can't say anything to your face, 'cause look at your face, and I'm so furious at you for making me feel this way. What can I say? You're gorgeous. We're almost done. We just have to go over the bridge now, which is pretty easy if you've made it this far. It's only 2 chords. It's the F and G. Again, you could also use single down strums, or you could use the down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, and then repeat it again and again and again, because you do it 4 times, I think. Yeah. You make me so happy, it turns back to sad. There's nothing I hate more than what I can't have. You are so gorgeous, it makes me so mad. You make me so happy, it turns back to sad. There's nothing I hate more than what I can't have. I guess I'll just stumble on home to my cats alone, unless you wanna come along. You'll notice on that last G chord, I kind of just did a whole bunch of down strums, added a little up in there, up, down. It's whatever you want to do. You don't have to do that. I just think it sounds better when you're kind of doing that build alone, unless you want to come along. So gorgeous, I can't say anything to your face. Yeah, because look at your face. I love that line so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a fancy playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye.